It's Mee-Mee time. It's breakfast with Mee-Mee. Hi, Mee-Mee. Oh, she's such a pretty girl. Yes, she is such a lovely cat. Yes, she is such a lovely cat. Yes, she is such a lovely cat. Oh, what you got for me, huh? Oh, let's see what we got in the hole. And what do we got? It's got darkness in the hole. Hey, get out of there. Got a flashlight. There we go. Hey, get out of the way. I can't see nothing. Get out of the way, Mee-Mee. Yep. Oh, I see one. I see the baby cats. There's a little baby cat. Look at that little pretty face. And their eyes are open when they're not sleeping. There they are. I'm going to be dragging them out and cleaning up the bed today. Yeah. Mee-Mee doesn't like me being in there all by myself. She likes to know what's going on. She is such a good mommy. Huh? And this is her setup. I'll turn it sideways. There we go. She's got all that room, place to go, food to eat, litter box, shelf up there to go to. Another room over here to go to. Don't mind the big mess. This is just my basement. And where's the Mee-Mee cat? And there she is. She's the best mom ever.